Hey everyone, this speech is actually going to be really short, like maybe a minute. I just wanted to acknowledge my best friend real quick. So I am going to keep her name disclosed because I didn't get her permission for this. But she has always been tall and skinny. And being that she trains jujitsu, she noticed that she had a hard time competing against the other girls because there is a strength advantage. Now, for the last couple months, I think, she has really been pushing herself to go to the gym no matter how she feels or if she wants to, and there's been growth. Whether it's physical, mental, or an actual great strength increase, there has been growth. And like I said, this is going to be really short. I just wanted to bring that up real quick and acknowledge it because I am extremely proud of her for pushing herself, and she's only going to continue to grow. That is all, like I said, is going to be rather short, and I appreciate you all for listening in real quick. Thank you. I'll see you next time.